Now, a very important question. What the question says, how many different words can be formed with the letter of the word Bharat? First of all, first part is how many total words we can form with or without meaning from the word BHARAT. Second part is how many of these B and H are never together. When B and H are never together, then how many words will be there? And the third is how many of these begin with B and end with T. Now, total number of letters in word are 6 and word A is repeated twice. Okay. Now number 1. Number 1 is how many different words can be formed. Now total number of words formed is equal to 6 factorial upon 2 factorial. Now on solving we will be getting this as 360. Okay. Number 1. Now this is the answer. Number 2. Number 2 is given how many of these B and H are never together. Now when B and H are never together, now this can be written as, when B and H are never together, to this what we can write it? Total number of words subtracting, total number of words subtracting total number of words when B and H are always together. Okay. So when B and H are always together, it means remaining words are when they are never together. Okay. So now for B and H are always together, and now let this be discussed as a equation 1, as number of case 1. Okay. Now for B and H are always together, now what we can write it? We can write it B H A R A T. Okay. So we have to consider this as a single one, considering BH as a one letter. Now considering BH as single letter, total number of letters is equal to 5. Okay. Considering BH as a 1. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now number of permutations is equal to number of permutations, let me write it, number of permutations with these 5 letters is equal to 5 factorial upon 2 factorial, because a is repeated. A is repeated twice. Already I have written on the top also here. A is repeated twice. Okay. So this becomes 5 factorial upon 2 factorial. Now also BH can themselves arranged in 2 factorial ways, because when BH are always together, suppose all the letters start with B, suppose there are, let it be 10 letters, then 10 can start with H also, so total is 20, that is what? That is 2 factorial. Okay. So now total words when BH are always together, this is equal to 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial times 2 factorial is equal to 5 factorial, and 5 factorial is what? That is 120. Now how many of these B and H are never together? Now total permutations when B and H are never together, Now this is using one. Now which one? This one. Okay. Using one is equal to 360 minus 120, this is equal to 240. Answer. Now we are having third part. Now third part is how many of these begin with B and end with T. Now words when begin with B and end with T. Now what we will be having? B, this is fixed, begin with B, then 1, 2, 3, 4 and end with T. So we are having total only 4 words in between. Okay. So number of letters remaining is equal to 4 and A is repeated, therefore total permutations is equal to 4 factorial upon 2 factorial. This is what? On solving we are getting 12 as the answer. So this